Tripura University Northeast India Commerce and Management Association Annual Conference Fasalo Maharaja Bir Bikram Shatabashiki Bobano Shangsa Jaka Annual Conference No Sengsawirika Montri Shudangshu Das Logiwo Kubuni Adong Shangbo Tongbaika Te Pandano Regino Biniko Kahambo Naraka.
First of all, I would like to congratulate you on this valuable seminar. This is an annual conference of Northeast India Conference. Also, I would like to extend my heartiest gratitude and thanks to Honorable Vice Chancellor Sri Ganga Prasad Prashanji for inviting me on such a valuable program, and I think this is the first seminar in Tripura University I have been visiting, so it's really a great pleasure and honor for me. Thank you so much, Professor Ganga Prasad Prashanji. Although a lot of discussion has been taken place on the specific subject, so I shall not speak more, and though I am not the expert of this commerce subject. My subject was Sanskrit, so I shall not speak more. When the word commerce comes automatically, that alone encompasses a number of rules such as logistical, regulatory, legal, social and economic, etc. There is an ample scope for industrialization in Tripura. Tripura, which is a part of Northeast India, is growing economically day by day. Here I want to share what is the recent development in the state of Tripura. And recently, when we announced our budget in 2023-24, that time our Honorable Finance Minister has declared on his budget speech, in the last 5 years we have taken number of steps for people's welfare under economic development. I think we will be happy to know that state economy, that is GSDP, is estimated to have grown by 8.80% during the financial year 2022 to 2023, compared to 7.20% growth estimated at national level. The state is estimated to 6.5% growth at national level. This high economic growth is the reflection of our development of the state. Yes, it is true that under the leadership of Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Professor Manik Shahji, Tripura is day by day improving in the all aspects and overall development. Now I would like to inform you about what the industry department doing in Tripura. As you all know, rubber is the most valuable product for increasing the economic of our state, and also another product, as we already mentioned in the National Industry Summit in Tripura, which is held in Agartala, I think last 3 months back, that is agarwood. Agarwood has the lot of potential to improve the economic structure in Tripura. So government of Tripura has taken comprehensive plans to production of agarwood in across the state, and this is the very valuable products. And as you all know, right from Bangladesh and Saudi Arab, UAE, lot of foreign dignitaries already being visited in Tripura, and they are interested to do the business with Tripura on agarwood. So this is the biggest game changer will be in coming days. So agar is the very important products in our state. A Unity Mall will be constructed within outlay of amount rupees 100 crore at Agartala to display and sell unique product of Tripura and other state. as you all know, under the leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, he has decided to establish Unity Mall in every state. So this is our great privilege also that we got this opportunity, and already site is being finalized. And I think very near to your university, the Department of Industry and Department of Revenue Department has decided to construct the Unity Mall at near the Hapania fairground. So very shortly, and I think the decision of the government, which is being taken in early cabinet, by 2024, 15th August before. I think the date is 15th. This is the target. Before that, we will construct this Unity Mall, which will be a best game changer for the Tripura also, for where the people of Tripura and our valuable product we can sell from this Unity Mall. And every state will also participate and also open their unique or innovative stall in this particular Unity Mall. As you all know, economy is also depend on our rural activities as well as our tourism. Tourism department is playing a vital role to improve our economical strength. After our BJP government led by our Dr. Manik Shah, our ex-Chief Minister Biplab Kumar Deb under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, Tripura now is very much popular across the country. First time in history of Tripura, outside of people came to know that there is a state named Tripura, and we have lot of potentiality. Tripura is covered by the natural beauty. Everyone right now wanted to know where is Tripura, how to Tripura, and what is the main things for Tripura. So as you know, if I say in last year data, 2.8 lakh visitor has been visited in Tripura. They have been visited our Nir Mahal place, Unukuti, Shipahi Jala, Dumbur Lake, Mata Tripureshwari temple. Mata Tripureshwari temple is I think it is now make a symbol of Tripura. Symbol of Tripura right now. So this is fantastic for Tripura. And as you also know, 35,000 foreign visitors also visited in Tripura last year, that is 22 and 23 financial year. So it's improving day by day. So also we want to promote our historical place, our tourist place like Unukuti, like Shipahi Jala, Nir Mahal, this Ujjayanto Palace, Dumbur Lake. Also, as you know, already 18 log art has been constructed for the visitor. They can stay over there and enjoy the natural beauty of the Dumbur Lake. So in this way we are trying to develop our state. So I shall not speak more. All the experts are present here. They know better than me. One more example I want to raise before you. After the 2021 and 22, it is our second time government led by our Professor Dr. Manik Shah. Tripura, the per capita income of the state has been increased from rupees 1,444,000 in 2017-18 to now it's 1,46,000 per capita income of Tripura right now. So it's improving day by day. There is a lot of decision has been taken to improve the per capita income. As you all know, after BJP government came in power in Tripura, all the connectivity has developed. Like before 2014, there were no broad gauge train line also even. Now we had lot of express train we are getting. Per day in Agartala railway station, 21 rail is running from across the country. from Agartala to main cities of various important places like Bangalore, Kolkata, Delhi, Chennai, Hyderabad. Lot of train is running right now. Air connectivity also improved. Right now Tripura has got 9 this highway, national highway. I want to share my bitter experience when I first became MLA in 2018. From my constituency, it's taken 4 to 5 hours to reach in Agartala from my constituency. If I started at morning 10 o'clock my journey, then I reached at Agartala in 2.5 an hour and at 3 p.m. like this, 3 o'clock like this. Right now, only 2 hours and 20 minutes. Within the time I can complete my journey from my constituency to Agartala. So how?
Agartala ni Simi, Pranam ni Kokthum, Bureau Report, Khumpui.